Hello everyone, I just wanted to share with you a really cool observation we just had here. We're getting some of these basil seeds planted, cinnamon basil, Persian basil, Siam Queen Thai basil. Amazing, delicious varieties. These are such cool little seeds. They're tiny and black. And what we noticed is we took these tiny black seeds, we put them on top of the planting mix here, and look, they turned this really cool clearish blue color, almost like little fish eggs or lizard eggs. You can see there's a few with a couple extra. That happens with these tiny little seeds, no big deal. But we thought this was a really cool observation to share. We don't know why it happened. If you know why it happened, weigh in the comments. Tell us what you think about this amazing color changing basil seed.